Hello everybody, it's StormChaser66 back with another Twisted video. And today we're doing another storm chase. I'm sorry it's been so long. I've been on vacation doing things. But 1.20 came out, so I thought I'd revisit Twisted and have some fun. Where did the TIV go? There it is. Oh my! They bumped up the graphics on this. The car's broken. Let's see, Raider. Oh my god, What? I don't know how they did this, but they did this. That's probably why it took them so long. Wait, you tell me the tornado is just down this way? Let me get on the highway. Oh, wait, this ain't the highway. Is this down to where I need to go? No, I'm going the wrong way. Of course I am. Let me turn around and see where I'm going. They bumped up the graphics on this. This looks so amazing now. This looks amazing. Well, I'm gonna try to chase this tornado, see if they made them look any different. I really love what they did with this. I'm going the wrong way. Whoa! Whoa, what is this? Let's go. I'll chase this thing. I need to get a good clip of this. Oh my god, this looks just 10 times better than it did before. Oh, looks like I got out of the rain. Oh, I like the clouds. Is that the... What the... Oh. Now that just scares me even more than it did before. Okay, well, I guess I'm driving into... Get onto the exit. Get onto the exit. Get onto the exit. Yes. What is this dude doing? I don't think he knows what he's getting himself into. These trees about to go down. There they go. Whoa, there the cars go. Oh god. Look at it. It doesn't stay at a steady wind speed anymore. The wind speeds just go crazy. What is that? 170? I just saved this guy. I don't even feel safe in this thing. Pink! What are my probes getting? 182? Oh my god, I'm gonna become rich after this. This is my first tornado chase in 1.20, and it's already going insane. I think the game broke. First time in 1.20 in the game already. The game's just gonna sit like this then. I guess I'll make this video a quick video. If you like the video, subscribe and like, please. And I'll see you next time. Oh! Never mind. I guess I will continue the video. Apparently I was just lagging. Oh god, it's gonna hit Hazel maybe. If the wind field's big on this thing, it's gonna hit Hazel. I don't know if you saw that. It might be different on your end, but on my end, it was completely frozen. Freeze in the middle of the road. Can't even get through the road. Oh, those power flashes. This guy with the Dorothy. I feel bad, he's trying to get to the storm. Oh, I mean, he was walking, but now he's in my car. Oh, I can't even see it now. There's just scatters of probes on the road. Going. Where is this thing? Where? Whoa, I'm... What? Oh, it's yellow now. It's safe to drive through. Let's go. Oh, he just popped a wheelie! No! That was hilarious. He popped a wheelie and then flew away. Where is this thing? I mean, I think it's like right on top of me, but I can't see it. See, it is right behind. There it is. Now, what way is it going? Okay, so it might hit Hazel slightly. But I think they nerfed the tornadoes. They don't, like, this hasn't lifted a single tree yet. Not one. They made this more realistic now. Oh my god, this guy just deployed the Dorothy in time. away, please. We're inside of it. The storm is very weak now. Back there it was like debarking and everything. Not doing anything. Slightly moving the trees. Let's see what it is. Still red though. Let's see what we're getting on hopes. 118, 120, 130. Yeah, seems to be 130 is the highest. It's probably weakening. Yeah, look. Oh my god, that hook is ginormous. Oh, why are new cars? Whoa, look at that. It's super weak now. Oh, it's not the retreat. Whoa. Let me look at these new cars. Unless they're just old cars that I didn't see. Oh yeah, because I never... This is definitely new. Never seen that car before. Subaru? That might be an old car. Toyota. That's probably new. Never looked at the other car brands. Ford F-1... Okay, I think that's the old one. No, wait. I can't remember. This is... Okay, all these cars are old cars. I know that. But I think this one's a new car. I think this storm is about... Okay. I think I'm gonna wrap it up for this video. Like and subscribe to see more, and hope you have a good day. Goodbye.